Yet, in modern society, women are widely considered the more aesthetically pleasing. Why is that? It's not just about makeup. At its core, sexual attraction drives this perception. Because women exert sexual allure, men instinctively find them more beautiful. So, how do modern human males showcase their advantages? Beyond natural good, today's complex society places heavy emphasis on wealth and social status. Even without standout physical traits, excelling in these areas can signal strong survival skills, drawing female attention. Ultimately, it's no different from nature's rule.